This is Solomon from Hedging Mastermind, and today is the 12th of June 2024. As you can see, I was just done with a trade. We just took some profits, and news is about to hit, and I was on my way to get food. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait till news hits, because like I said, I've been scalping on my PC. I've been scalping the consolidations, and I believe USDJPY has been going up and is going to dive all the way down, and I didn't hit my take profit yet because of news all the time. So what I did the last time with NFP, I'm gonna buy again. Okay, if the market goes down, I will buy again. If you're a student, try to learn from this. But before we get into that, like I said, if you want to join the passive income program, the people who have already joined in when I said starts, and the people who joined him even 1 week later, by the end of next week and by the end of this month, they would already have taken all their investments and all their profits. Like I said, you could have started with at least $90 to see if it was for you. You could have been making between $3 to $400 a day passively before you even jump into the market. Something you can do on your phone or your PC between 5 to 30 minutes a day and make money every single day, including Saturdays and Sundays. You could have done that easily. You could have joined me. Like I said, it's not by force. I'm not pulling your leg to join the passive income program. I'm only telling you the benefits. I would never put anything that I have not put my own funds into it. I've put almost tens of thousands, but I've made over tens of thousands in this over a couple months before I even brought it to you guys. The only risk that you have right now is it's gonna take you 30 days to take your profit, and you are not going to have to wait till 30 days. You can start taking your profit. If you start today, you make money today, you can withdraw today. Okay, we try to withdraw multiple times a week so that by the end of the month or at the end of 30 days maximum, you would have withdrawn, not made, withdrawn every single investment that you had, and from then on you start making profits after 2 months. Okay, maximum. It's not just free money. They are not just throwing money around. And even in the group, I explained how to be able to make between $35 to $15,000 a week without having any investment. We'll get into the chart soon. News is about to hit. If you want to get the free if you want to join the passive income program, message me what on Telegram, link in description below. And if you want to get signals for 3 months to 12 months for free, message me trial. We have a VIP group where I try to draw signal analysis. The summer period has been quite shaky. Nobody is able to hold any trades long term, and if they are giving you trades, and is most likely going to be going into losses, because you can't really hold trades during this consolidation period during summer. That is going to go until the end of summer. But while we're there, we're going to be looking at the markets, look at where we can make opportunities to make profits, like I've been doing, scalping my system A and system B, mostly system B, because I've been making like over $200 a day. Then the system B trades, I'm just taking big scalp trades. I'll explain that once we get into the trades. But with that being said, like, share, and subscribe. Click all the notification bells on. If you want to get signals for 3 months to 12 months free, message me trial on Telegram, link in description below. And yeah, if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. We'll get right into the chart soon once news is done. And yeah, we'll be right back with you guys soon. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, just as I predicted, I'm still on the charts. News went all the way down, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a buy. Like I said, I've been scalping the consolidations. I'm waiting for the buy to trigger. Still holding. Okay, yeah, now I'm going to set my take profit. I want to remove my jacket. I'm gonna set my take profit all the way up here for about over $2,000 profit. There you go. All right, so yeah, the profit has just, so it's already moving into profit already. Let me just set my take profit properly. There you go. My take profit has been set. Let it just be loading. Let it just finish loading, and there you go. All right, so we started this account with $10,000, and so far we've been able to make 100% of our profits back. From here, we're just going to be using most of the market's money to continue to make profits. Yeah, I just need to set this take profit properly, just a little bit more. There you go. Let it load. I'm in my car, so it's a bit slow with the internet. Yeah, so the market is still spiking because of news, and yeah, we've mostly been taking system B trades. It's kind of hot, even though it's rained inside the car. It's kind of hot because of the engine. And yeah, when we're taking system B trades, we're looking for big profits, and we've not had a lot of hedges, because hedging is my secret weapon in which I used to make cover a lot of losses. For example, if I have a loss in the market, I will just hedge it out. The largest loss that I've had to hedge out was over $1,000. I recorded that and uploaded it for you guys also. Anyways, with that being said, the biggest trade that we've made on the system B was $3,000 during NFP. The market was down, and I just said, okay, it's a consolidating market. Most likely option is for it to push up. Okay, if you're a student, you should already know this. Yeah, I just quickly added another quick trade into it. So yeah, let me set the take profit for that properly also. Still loading. There you go. All right, so I took another extra trade because I wanted to trade with 40. The last trade I took, I turned it down to 35, but this spike down is going to bring me a lot of profit. So let's see how much profit we're going to make. Probably almost over 2,000. Will it get to 3,000? I don't think so. The market is still pushing down a bit. We'll be right back soon. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells and click all notification bells on so that you stay subscribed for when I start doing live stream, because next week I'm going to start doing live streams. I should start next week or the week after that. We'll be doing signal analysis. I'll make it 2 times a week during New Year section, between Mondays to Wednesdays, one of those 2 days, 2 out of those 3 days. And yeah, let's see how the market plays out. It's pushing up a bit. Like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure to message me on Telegram, link in description below also, and make sure to join our free Telegram group also. Link in description below. We're trying to get it to 10,000 to 15,000 members. And with that being said, we'll be right back once we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. See you guys soon. All right, guys, we're back on the charts. And as you can see, we're in profits. It's getting closer to my profits again, so I'm just going to close it. Okay, so in total, we made 2,620. Yes, I didn't let it hit take profit. I saw the market slowing down. And as a student, you should always know, I always say, if we're getting closer to profit and you see momentum slowing down, that you should just take most of the profits. It's still going to go all the way up. However, I have to go out very soon. I have to be going out very soon. I have to go to another city. And I just wanted to know that my trades were closed. I just wanted to take my profits. There you go, about $2,600 in total. Probably I could have made more if it hit my take profits. I know for sure that the market is still going to go all the way up, but I have things to do and I have places to go. With that being said, make sure to join the free Telegram group, link in description below. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of 2024. Click like, share, and subscribe. And when you click subscribe, click all the notifications so that when I upload shorts, I go live. After next week, I'll start going live. By the last week of this month, I'll start going live 2 times a week, between Mondays to Wednesdays, New York session. And yeah, if you want free signals for 3 months to 12 months, message me trial on Telegram, link in description below. And for those people who are in the Worlds program, by the end of next week, a lot of people would have withdrawn all their investments and they would have already started making profits. And that week, next week, they will start withdrawing profits. Those people even joined 1 week later, right? By next week also, they would have withdrawn all their profits, and the week after that, they will start withdrawing. So they would have withdrawn all their investments, and the week after, they will start withdrawing all their profits. I'm happy about the people that joined me in the Worlds program. Like I said, if you want to join the Worlds program to be able to make passive income of around $3 to $400 a day passively, it helps with your psychology. As I started the day today, I've already made $200 passively from my phone. You can do it from your phone on your PC between 5 to 30 minutes every single day, including Saturdays and Sundays. If you make your profit today, you can withdraw your profit today. Nobody is telling you to that, oh, you have to hold your money, you have to wait 2 weeks. There's no waiting time. If you want to withdraw your money now, you withdraw your money immediately. Okay, this is not one of those nonsense. I would never tell you to do anything that me personally have not put my own money into. Okay, there's nothing that I'll tell you to do that I have not put my own personal money into first and tested it for months. Okay, so I'm very happy and I'm proud of the people who joined the Worlds program early. By the end of next week, today is still the 13th of June. By the end of next week, all of you would have withdrawn your funds. All of you will start making profits. Okay, all your investments, all the hard work would have paid off. Okay, I'm very proud of you. Now, the guys who are joining in later, the guys who were skeptical, like I said, it's not by force. If you don't want to make money, if you don't trust it, you don't need to join. It's not by force. I will make my profits alone. I will eat alone, and you watch me, and the people that have joined make our profits. Okay, but if you want to make profits, again, you have to take the risk because you have to withdraw your profits. Withdraw multiple times a week, and your investment, you can start with as little as $90 to even see if it's something that you would like. Okay, some people, they don't know. You test it the first time, you see something that you like, you see something, it's easy. I've told the people, take your money, put it back in your pockets, take the profit, put it back in your Forex account, take some more of the profits and put it back in your pockets also. Nothing to really lose except the waiting time that you have to do to make the money. Okay, that is just the risk. The risk is 30 days. Every week you'll be making profit. Every day you'll be making profits. Every week you'll be making withdrawals till you fully withdraw, because you have to earn daily. Okay, so for example, if you start with 90, you'll be making $3 a day. You have to make those $3 for 30 days before you withdraw all your investment. So that's how it works. So the maximum risk is those 30 days wait time. After those 30 days, profits, they are low. Like I said, 200 to 300% profit guaranteed. And there are also ways that I explain, because once you join the program, I'll give you a link to join the VIP group for the World program, where I explain how you can be making $35,000 to $15,000 passively without even making any investment. But you have to put the work in. This is not free money. This is not like, oh, they're not just giving out free money. Okay, you have to work for it. You have to do a task for it. You have to invest in yourself also. I'm not getting paid for it. Most of what I do is free. If you have any questions, put that in the comment section. Made some profits. I'm gonna go shopping by the end of this month also, or the first week of next month also. Just splurge on myself after a little hard work. And yeah, hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. We will be right back once we have another scalping trading video soon. See you guys soon. Hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead. If you have any questions, message me on Telegram. Be right back soon.